Hello, guys. Welcome to BST lectures. Hope everything is fine and everyone are doing good. Now let us see a small problem and solve it using C language. Right. First, let us analyze and read the question. What is it? And write the algorithm for it. Later, we will jump into the program. Right. There is a cricket match going on between two teams A and B. Team B is batting second and got a target of X runs. Currently, Team B has scored Y runs. Right? Two teams are playing cricket, A and B. Uh, First, already Team A has played the cricket. Played the match, and remaining Team B has to play the second turn. Right? Already Team B has scored X runs and they have to score Y runs in order to win. Determine how many runs Team B should score to win the match. They asked us to determine how many more runs. That is, already they have few runs and we have to find the few more runs so that how many runs does Team B take to win the match, right? We as we know that this note is very familiar to us. The target score in cricket matches is one more than the number of runs scored by the team that batted first. Suppose a team A scored 201 runs, team B must score 202 runs in order to win, right? This is the note they have given. So after analyzing the question, we got that we are having two teams, team A and team B, right? Team A batted first. Team B is second. Okay, this is the information, and also what we know. Team B has X runs and they have to score Y runs in order to win the match. We have to find that Y runs, right? How many runs are required to win for the match? Okay, these are the information we had with us. So let us write algorithm. What is mean by algorithm? It is a step by step process in which a program can be defined in a simplest way. Now, what is a step one? For everything, what is a step one? We know that we have to start. Next, step two, we have to read the inputs. What are the inputs? X, comma, Y are the inputs. They are X runs and they have to score another Y runs in order to win. Next, step three. Step three, how can they get, for suppose, for example, a team has 300 runs. Team A has 300 runs. Team B has to win, has to gain 301 runs to win, right? In order to win. So, already they have scored 201 runs. That is the X value. X is equal to 201. So, what is Y? How do we find Y? X total minus X is equal to Y, right? What is the total here? 301. 301 minus X, that is equal to 301 minus 201. That is equal to 100. 100 runs are required in order to win team B, right? This is the just practical example. We have to write it in the in the form of algorithm, and in the similar way we have to write it in the form of a C language code, right? After reading the values of X and Y, what we have to do? We have to write the condition for uh, how the team wins. let us consider, as this is algorithm, I'm not going deep into it, just basic steps what we have to do. Let us consider total is something, total number of runs minus x gives the value of y. Y is equal to total minus x. After getting this, what is the step 4? Step 4 is just print y value. Sorry, here no need of reading the y value here. We just wanted to read the total number of x and the total number of runs and the y. Sorry, we have to read total number of the runs and the x runs scored by team B, and we have to find the y runs. So we have to print y. Here we have to compute this. Next step 5 is stop the process. This is the algorithm we will follow. Okay, now we'll practically execute our C language code in some online compilers. Okay, now let us solve the question which we had seen. For every C language, we know that what we have to use the first line, it's the header file. The header file is something in which all the definitions of the functions are held. For suppose I am using stdio.h header file, it contains all standard input and output libraries. Okay, for suppose we are using scanf, printf, right? These all definitions are inbuilt in this library. If we access this, sorry, if we write this library, we will access all those functions, right? We know that every function, sorry, every program starts with the main function, right? So we have to first write the main function. We are having, first we have to declare the variables. In the algorithm we have seen start, we have started the program. Next read x and y, right? So let us read means declare and read the variables. What are the variables we are having? X comma y and total number of runs, right? Let us take total. Next, we have to read, right? Which is the function we use for reading? It is scanf. And scanf percentage d, it indicates an integer, and we have to read two variables, right? So we have to write two percentage d's. D represents the integer. So this is the syntax we have to follow. And next we have to read total and x number of runs. Okay. Um Now we have to write the statements. Let us use conditional statements. If, is it required to write the conditional statements? I hope not. So let us take y. Already we have declared the y. So y is equal to total minus x, which gives the required number of runs in order to win the cricket match by team B, right? So we have computed. Now just printf percentage d comma ampersand. We have, is it required to write the ampersand here? Just, it is not required, as we are just printing the value, not the address. So percentage d comma y is the thing we have to print. Next, as we have given here the int, we have to write return 0 here, or else if you don't wanted to write this, just put here void, which means we doesn't have any return type. Okay, here we have completed the code. I forgot to say that before running this you have to ensure that your language is C, selected language is C, and this is online GDP, which is a online C compiler. If you want this, I'll share the link in the description box. Okay, now let us run. Yeah, it is as we given scanf, right? We are giving input from our side, means it is from the keyboard. So we have to give here what we have to do, total number of runs. Okay, total number of runs is 100. Next, uh what we have to do, x. how many runs, for suppose 45 runs has been completed by team B, and how many runs we require. uh, Here we can see 55 runs are required in order to win the cricket match by team B, right? This is the question. This is a simple question which uses a arithmetic operator, which is a subtraction. Just subtraction is used here. Hope you like this video. If you like our content, please do follow our videos and share to your friends, and please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts and any mistakes are found in this video, you can uh, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.